time no see.
Yan. And for today's
It's good to
episode,
see you.
we're gonna react to Arnel Pineda.
Yay!
He became a Journey lead vocalist.
Hmm.
He was discovered by Journey because he sounds like the Journey main singer.
Okay.
And he had a performance in Wish Live 107.5.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's good news.
And this song
At
is
least I
not...
can enjoy it.
Yes, this song is not a Journey song, but it's their old song. So it's a
really?
love song. Yes. The title is Pain in My Heart.
Pain in My Heart. Is it a American song or?
No, it's not an American song, but
What song is it?
it sounds like an American song. I know this song, I heard this song, but I never watched the performance in Wish Live. So it's gonna be my first time also watching the Wish Live performance.
Okay.
So it was uploaded last May 2017, who garnered 1.9 million views.
Oh yeah.
So
1.9.
not bad. Okay, so
Not
are you
bad.
ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready. You're always ready.
I'm ready to go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Ding 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 ding
The
ding.
game.
Yeah. Sounds so familiar.
Song called Pain in My Heart. It was written by Monette Kahibe.
Wish 107.5.
Here I am alone in this empty room, and let my mind just fly me to the end. Thoughts of you still linger in my memory, wondering why my life is not that fair. I could still recall those memories of you, the joy and all the laughter, the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe you're gone. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. Talking to myself for reasons I can find out why everything went wrong. Tears falling down my cheeks that I've been trying to hold. I just don't know if I could still go on. I wanted you to stay. The tears began to show. You said you cared for me, but then you had to go. And now I know you're gone. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. feel the pain in my heart. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I don't wanna feel. Oh, I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. Oh, oh,
Wish exclusive.
Yeah! Way to go! Way to go, bro.
Okay, so I would like to remind you again that he is the vocal lead singer of the band Journey, who sang Open Arms.
Open
Oh,
arms.
Don't Stop Believing.
Yeah.
But he cannot
I
sing.
heard that, before.
But he cannot sing their song outside the group. That's why in this performance he sang their old song, his old band, Zoo. That's the name of his old band, the Zoo. So, what can you say about his voice?
The voice, is he getting, how old is he?
He's not young.
He's
but
not
he's
young?
not that old.
Because I see, he has a lot of gray hairs, the gray beard.
He is internationally known, like Charis.
But I could still, hear, his same voice, even though he's getting older, you know what I mean? He looks older, but, the voice is the same thing, exactly the same thing, The last time I heard the song, he sang before, a long time ago. And then, and also, he reminds me of also, click here,
Click here.
Yeah, 107.5, click here. He was one of them. So that's why I remember, It reminds me that too. And then the song, I never heard it in my life before too, but there's some part, sounds very familiar, That's
And
why
then
I sang.
Oh, you catch up the song, no?
But don't get me wrong, I don't know this song, period.
That's the first time we heard the song.
This is first time, I swear.
Me too, when I heard that song for the first time, it touched my heart because it's for broken-hearted. Oh. So it really hit you. And then the voice quality, it's kinda husky but still hitting the notes, high note.
High note also, yeah. And it's very similar to, the group Journey, very similar to it.
That's why he was chosen when he auditioned. When he auditioned, the Journey, I watched their documentary.
He's
They
really
said-
good at,
They said they're having a hard
Journey.
time to find the vocalist. And then when they heard Arnel Pineda,
Very similar.
similar, that's why they hired him. And then they,
Yes, it really fits him. Very good, awesome. 2 thumbs up.
no, Pinoy Pride!
Yeah, that's good.
We have the best singers!
Good singers.
Congratulations again, Arnel Pineda, for having a 1.9 million views on Wish live performance. And then,
if you
That's
want
it.
us to, watch more video like this, please don't hesitate, and then just send us a message down below.
yeah.
Then we would like to watch it.
And thank you for watching our episode, another episode of Korean Filipino couple reaction video.
Thank you.
Thank you
And
for
then,
supporting us.
please, if you like this video, click.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated for our latest
Latest
upload. Bye-bye.
upload. Bye bye.